Hello everyone. Today I will take you through the off-campus recruitment drive of Taboola. Companies looking for support engineers. The qualification would be B.Tech, BSc Computer Science and BCA. So let's check out the details. Taboola is looking to hire freshers as well as final year graduates. The job profile is the first level support engineer across India, and the job location is New Delhi. So those students who are eligible and who are interested in this profile may apply through the link which is given in the last slide as well as the description box. Talking about the company, this is a company which is powered by artificial intelligence, which is used by digital properties, including websites, devices, and mobile apps of the company. It has long-term partnerships with some of the leading digital properties in the world, including CNBC, NBC News, Business Insider, etc. Talking about the details of the profile, job title, as I mentioned, is the first level support engineer. Location would be New Delhi, or work from home option is also available. Salary would be the best in the industry. Experience, freshers can apply, or those from the batches of 2019, 2020, 2021 may also apply. Degree is B.Tech, BSc Computer Science, BCA, MCA, or any related degree will be eligible. So as I already mentioned, the company is looking to hire a dedicated customer support representative, and the person selected will be the first point of contact for Taboola's clients. So the person would be responsible for gathering information via email to solve an issue, or may be required to escalate that to the support team. If you have good communication skills and if you have the attitude of client comes first, then you are the right person for this job. So go and apply today. So this is the link, and you can directly click on the link to reach to the details, and you can apply from there. Thank you.